Hey, it's Maddie, and today me and my friend Raven are going to have a burping contest. Here she comes now.
Hi. Alright, so burping contest, that seems fun. What do we have to do?
Okay, we're going to chug down like a half a can of Diet Coke, and we're going to see who can burp the longest, the best.
Okay. Yeah. Ow!
Well, sweetheart, why didn't you say anything?
Why? So you could call a parent-teacher conference and embarrass me in front of everyone?
No. So we could discuss the situation and find a rational solution. I think we should call a parent-teacher conference.
Oh, no. You do not.
You were laughing and burping at the same time. You're like, Did you hear that? Did you hear that, you too? He's just working loud and screenshot.
Okay.
Honey, in my experience, there are only two ways to deal with bullying.
Well, her burp came out the other end.
My burp came out the other end. Hold on a second. I can't do it.
Okay, ladies, you have to post a comment and decide whether who burped the longest and the best.
Alright, bye.
Bye.